Welcome to Trike Bike Australia. Today, I have some really important and really good news for every one of our customers. Over the past few weeks, I've been receiving a lot of calls and messages from people who are worried about the new e-bike laws being proposed in Queensland. I completely understand the concern. Some of the news coverage has been alarming. So let me give you the facts. Clearly and simply, here's what Queensland's new e-bike laws are actually about. The government has been trying to deal with a very real problem. Illegal, high-powered electric motorbikes being ridden dangerously on footpaths and shared paths. We've all seen them. That is a genuine public safety issue, and that is what these laws are targeting. But some of their early drafts were written so broadly that they would have affected our customers too. People riding legal, compliant electric tricycles, carefully and responsibly, that wasn't right. And thousands of Queenslanders said so. More than 3,000 public submissions were received by the Parliamentary Committee. 3,000. And they listened. On the 8th of May 2026, the Queensland Parliamentary Committee tabled its formal report, and it is genuinely good news. The committee has recommended special exemptions specifically for electric tricycles, adaptive devices, and cargo bikes, and here is something very important that most people don't know. Under Australian Standards Law, specifically AS 15194, Clause 3.2, a tricycle is not a bicycle under federal law, which means that the e-bike regulations causing all this worry were never properly designed to apply to electric tricycles in the first place. The Parliamentary Committee has now made that crystal clear. Let me give you 3 specific facts, because these are the 3 things our customers are most worried about. Number 1, your tricycle will not be seized or crushed. The seizure and crushing powers in these new laws are aimed at illegal, high-powered bikes ridden recklessly by young people. Not at someone riding carefully to the shops on a compliant electric tricycle they bought legally. You have absolutely nothing to worry about. Number 2, you will not need a driver's license. Many of our customers no longer hold a driver's license due to age, a medical condition, or by choice. The committee has specifically recommended exemptions from any license requirement for people who cannot obtain a license because of age, disability, or a medical condition, but who are perfectly capable of riding their electric tricycles safely. That is the vast majority of our customers. The government listened. Number 3, bigger motors on tricycles are recognised and accepted. An electric tricycle is heavier than a standard e-bike. It needs a stronger motor to move safely, especially on hills. The Parliamentary Committee formally recognised this and recommended specific exemptions for tricycles and cargo bikes. The message got through. A tricycle is not an illegal motorbike and should never have been treated as one. So what does all of this mean for you today? Keep riding. That is the message. The new laws are not yet in force. They are still being debated in Parliament. And even when they do come into effect, the recommended exemptions mean that trike bike customers will continue to ride completely unaffected. Your electric tricycle is giving you exactly what it was designed to give you: independence, freedom, exercise, and the ability to get to the doctor, the shops, or a friend's home on your own terms. That is not going to change. If you have any questions at all, please visit our website at trike-bike.com.au or call us on 0755220583. We're always happy to chat. Keep riding, everyone. Take care.